Hello, my name is Vinod. I'm working as a software engineer. So first today we talk about what is Microsoft Recognizer APIs and types and what are the languages available. In this tutorial we'll talk about the particular area for a number with unit. We already that first part I already shown that what is a number with unit and the types. This tutorial little bit I will elaborate the number with unit types and we will uh, try some of the samples programs. Okay, first one is number with unit. First category we are seeing age. So as I said earlier, in the given text, this API will find any age is matching or not. That's what this API recognizer will find any age number presented or not. Example, if you give any input like hey, I'm 23 years old. If you give this text to that API, then API will return age 23 and unit type age. It will return like that. So next one is currency. Like this guy find any currency present in the text or not. So if you give that any inputs like Microsoft profit in 2019 first quarter was 1 million. This is just an example. So this API currency API will return 1 million value. Unit type is currency. Okay. Third one is a dimension. If any dimension will find it the text. Let's say for example my home 2 mile away from the railway station. So this guy will return it uh, value is 2 and unity is mile. Okay, and finally temperature. This is also already explained actually the same way. If you give any text, this guy will return the text like value like that 23 and the unit type is Celsius. Okay, so we'll see one quick demo to use this API, how API is returning. Before you start using this API, we have to install this pip package recognizer text number with unit type. We have to install it. Okay, so I'm going to move to Visual Studio Code. We'll see the samples. So Visual Studio Code, I created a new package like number with unit sample.py. It's created. First I have to install that pip package. So I'm going to terminal, just paste it. So the command is pip install recognizer text number with unit. So once it's enter. Okay, here you can see I have already installed this one. So that's the reason requirement already satisfied. Those statement is coming actually. If you install from your application, it's download all the files, it will install. Okay, so our pip package is ready, we installed. So first what we have to do, we have to import the types. Okay, so for import I'm just typing from recognizer. Sorry, it's already showing helpline. Unit import number with unit recognizer. This one, yeah. So our package is ready. Okay, once this package is ready, we can start using the API. Before API, I have to create the object for the class. Okay, so all the API access through the class object only. Okay, so we will create the object. So object called reg number with unit recognizer. So for that, here we have to pass that first argument. What is your language? So I'm using English. If you are a German or any other language, supporting language, you have to pass their own uh, language type. So for that, I can use one more module to pass that language. So this is recognizer text. Okay, import culture to your culture. Fine. So done. What is invalid syntax? Okay, sorry. Like this, it will come. So I'm using English. So I'm passing culture dot English. English. Sorry. So this is ready. Okay. So next, our object is created. Next, we have to mention with what type of API I'm going to use. So we already seen age, currency, dimension, and temperature. So we are going to use one by one. For that, I create the model. Let's say first model I'm going to use age. So reg.get age model. So this guy will return the age object. Okay, age model. So once this one, we have to pass that our text. Let's say result equal to model dot parse. So we have to pass a text. What text you are going to use? Same sample I'm using. I am 20 23-year-old. Okay. So once executing this program, this guy will return that age type. Age value is 23, and the type is, sorry, and the unit is age. Okay. So this guy will return that resultant set. Okay. So here we are passing that our text. So this guy, based on the model, we are using age model. So this guy will return the text. Okay. So we'll print it. Print result. Okay. So I put the breakpoint. I just started executing. So here that resultant set is coming. You just expand. You can see that answer here. Unit is year. Value is 23. Okay. Oops. Yeah, correct. So unit is year, value is 23. So we are get the value from this object. Okay. So I'll stop the program, and I'm checking the condition. If sorry, if length result greater than 0, that means some object should be present, and length of result object solution, sorry, greater than 0. Okay. If it is condition is matching, then we have to read the value. So I'm just printing the value result dot solution, oh, sorry, result solution type value field. So next same, just copy paste and unit type. Okay, that's it. So else I'm returning print not able to find the age, or we call this year also fine. Okay, that's it. I remove the breakpoint, just run the application. Okay, so error. What is that? Length if length model, this is correct, 0, and length solution, okay, so problem not closed, this is correct, closed, change like this, fine, yeah, so executed. Here you can see, one second, just clear that, we'll rerun. So here you can see that value we given here 23 years old. So here you can find 23 and the unit is year. Okay. So suppose if I change any text, let's say I just stop it, I add hey I am just some irrelevant text. Here you can see this guy not able to find anything here. So else block it will come. Okay. This is I am just remove this code. So this is age model. Fine. So next we are going to use currency. Okay, currency, we'll see how the currency model executing. Okay, for that I have to use the currency object. So I'm not creating again one more object. I'm just reusing this object only to call the currency model. Okay, I'm just okay, I'll create it again. So currency, just currency dot rich dot get currency model, the same way, pass result equal to current dot get, sorry, parse. Here we have to pass our text. Okay, uh, I used the same text here, micro sorry Microsoft profit in the 2019 first quarter was 1 million. Okay, 1 million. So I just copy paste the same condition. So condition is same condition only. Fine. So if I run this application, not able to find any currency. Okay, CNCY, yeah, currency. If I run the application, now here you can see I given 1 million, so it's come 1 million and the unit type is dollar. So if I change something like that, 10 million, run it again. So here you can see it's changed to 10 million. Now I don't, just 200. If you change it, then it will return the 2 million. Okay, these are the currency. Next one we are going to see the dimension. Okay, so I'll write it dim using the same object, get dimension object, dimension model, and result set same, dim dot parse. I'm passing my home, the same text I used in the PPT also. So my home 2 mile away from the railway station. Okay, railway station, railway station. So result set same. I just copy paste it here. Okay, so not able, cannot find any dimension. Yeah, now run the application. Here you can see the output 2 mile. So my text is, sorry, my text is here. My sorry, I'll correct it. My hometown 2 mile away from the railway station. So this guy will find that what is the dimension here? Value is 2 and unit type is mile. Okay. So final is temperature. We are going to use a temperature API. So temp. So rich dot get temperature model. So result set same. what is it, temp, yeah, temp dot get, sorry, parse. Here I am telling, hey, the temperature look like 23 °C. Okay, that's it. So I just copy paste the same condition. Okay, if I run it, here you can see that output, the last one. So temperature 23 and the unit value is a Celsius here. Okay, so if I change anything, temperature look like, if anything like 15, again run it. So this guy will return the current value. Okay, I hope you can understand how to use that these APIs: age, currency, dimension, and temperature. So next tutorial will talk about number with types. Okay, thanks to all. Bye.